Hey, awesome to see that you have launched your learning community. I know you're probably wondering what to do next and you're a little lost. So I just created this quick get started video to help you do a few steps, right? In your learning community, it's like a social network, but it's a community just for the folks who want to learn the topic that you are teaching. So what you want to do is ideally have some form of a welcome message, right? So welcome all new members to this learning community. We'll be discussing whatever topic you're discussing, and add an image, something cool. It can be a gif, whatever, right? I mean, you can add anything that you think is relevant for this community. Do that and just create your first post, right? I mean, once you've done your first post itself, you will be like, okay, fine, hey, this is, let's say, at least it's getting off the ground, right? The second thing is, of course, if you want to invite anyone else, like an admin or someone from your team who has to check this out, just use the invite link that you see here, right? It's actually the name of your network slash invite, right? So I mean, when you say slash invite, you will find that it will automatically take you to a page which looks something like this, right? So you can just send out this invite link to people, and they will be in a position to join your learning community, right? So that's pretty much the next step. If you want to create a course, right, so you just go here, you say create a course. It asks you basic questions, right? Like, let's say, launch a micro course is my course title. How to create, give a description for your course, right? How to launch a micro course in 1 week, right, for example. Right now, what level is this for? Is this for a beginner? You take that, then copy a YouTube URL. This is where your course is hosted. Just host it on an unlisted view so that it can't just be discovered on YouTube. But the benefit of this is that the course content is always yours and you can always take it. If you want to turn on a marketing funnel or a content funnel on YouTube in parallel with having your course, a lot of people use YouTube to push out free content and then get people into their community. So it's a good way to do that, right? So put out some free content out there, but otherwise guard some of your premium content. And if you have a course price, you add your course price here, like, let's say 999, 499, right? Let's say that's your course. Let's say this is a 60 minutes course, and it's all recorded. For example, what do they get with this live projects, case studies. In case you want to charge extra for an instructor review or a one-on-one consultation, you can add it here. Otherwise, just leave it blank, and nobody will take a look. When does it start? Is it on a particular date or on demand? I'm just clicking on demand for now, right? And categorize this, right? Like, let's say this is a micro course thing. Who is it for? Coaches, course creators, right? And now there may be some FAQs, that people have. Is there a money back guarantee, for example, right? So just add whatever FAQs that people normally will have. If you have any bonuses, you can add that. If you have none, just remove it. So it's not mandatory that you have everything, all the sections filled out, right? Then put in your session one, saying session one, what is the topic, define student profile, right? So now this becomes your session one. Add any notes in case you want them to take away something. Otherwise, if there's nothing there, just click publish, and it's published to your network. You go to your feed, you will actually see that this course is on the feed, as well as in the courses. When someone comes in, they can actually click view, decide to join, all of that completely possible. If I take this exact course, right, and I can, if I want to share this course and not necessarily the community link, I can just copy this, and just copy this link and share it with anyone, right? So all of that is possible. If you want to customize your network, you just go to the settings tab that you see here. It'll take you to your dashboard. It'll tell you how many community members you have. You can change the name of your settings. You can add more features, like, let's say, if you want an events tab, you can just click it from here, click submit, and you'll now have an events tab, right? That's round about it. You can change this and do this according to your wish. There's a bunch of features that we have, but I don't want to take you through all of that in this get started. You also have your own chat group now for your course. That's it. Just get started, launch your course, launch your community.